Hello mga ka-travel, this is Paul of Global Pinoy Travel and Tours. Visit and explore Vietnam with our Hanoi and Sapa Vietnam Tour Package. So, I have here isang napakagandang tour package para sa inyo guys. Mabivisit nyo na yung dalawang places in Vietnam which is yung Hanoi and Sapa. And kagandahan po dito, this is all-in tour package. Kasama na po lahat with our airfare, yung hotel accommodation, full board na po yung meals, okay? Then, syempre, napakarami na pong mga lugar yung ating mapupuntahan din doon sa Hanoi and Sapa. And also, meron din kasamang English-speaking tour guide. And available po yung ating mga travel dates starting sa August and until February next month. And this is already 4 days and 4 nights. Kaya if ever you're interested po dito sa package na to, please check out yung ating price and also yung mga inclusions, and you can message me directly para mag-guide kita on your next travel destination. With that, God bless po sa ating lahat.